Audio Jungle.
Students, welcome to my class. This is class 11 chemistry, lesson 1, basic concepts of chemistry and chemical calculations. Students, we are going to find out the oxidation number of an element in this video. For that we have to follow some rules to assign the oxidation number. Just I am telling one by one. First rule, oxidation state of a free element, that is uncombined state is 0. So uncombined state la oxidation number வந்து 0. Okay va? Example, hydrogen, chlorine, sodium, sulfur, phosphorus. So for these molecule and atom, so we have the oxidation state is 0. That is the first rule. Second one, for a monoatomic ion, what is meant by atomicity? Atomicity means number of atoms in a molecule. That is known as atomicity. For a monoatomic means atomicity is 1 is known as monoatomic. For a monoatomic ion, oxidation state is equal to the net charge on the ion. For an example, Na plus, here sodium ion, the oxidation state of sodium ion is plus 1. Yes, what is the charge on the ion here? Plus 1. So that is the oxidation state of sodium here. So I am giving another one example, chloride. For Cl minus, oxidation state of Cl minus is minus 1. Because the charge on the ion is minus 1. So the oxidation state is equal to the net charge on the ion. So oxidation state of chloride is minus 1. And then third rule, algebraic sum of the oxidation states of all atoms in a molecule is equal to 0. So what is the algebraic form sum? That is x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Likewise. And then fourth one, for ions, it is equal to the net charge on the ion. So already I told you. So ஏற்கனவே பார்த்துட்டோம். Oxidation state of ions அப்படின்னு எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா net charge, it is equal to the net charge on the ion அப்படின்னு சொன்னேன். Example ஒன்று கொடுத்திருக்கேன். For an example, sulfuric acid எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Molecular formula for sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Here, 2 hydrogen atoms combines with sulfur, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen atoms. They have to form a sulfuric acid. Just we are going to have the algebraic sum of this, which is equal to 0. That is 2 into oxidation number of hydrogen plus 1 into oxidation number of sulfur plus 4 into oxidation number of oxygen will be equal to 0. And then I am giving the example for this rule, that is in SO42 minus. SO42 minus here is sulfate ion. So SO42 minus, how will you calculate the oxidation number? So here 1 sulfur combines with 4 oxygen atoms, it forms the sulfate ion. Already I told you, for ions it is equal to the net charge on the ion. What is the net charge present here? 2 minus. So oxidation number of sulfur plus 4 into oxidation number of oxygen is equal to minus 2. Let's see the fifth rule of finding out of oxidation number. Here oxidation number of hydrogen is plus 1. Students, in all its compounds hydrogen exists plus 1 oxidation state. So except in metal hydrides, its oxidation number is minus 1. What is metal hydrides? So molecular formula for metal hydrides is general formula MH. So MH is the general formula for metal hydrides. Except metal hydrides, hydrogen exists plus 1 oxidation state in all their compounds. For an example, in hydrogen chloride, its oxidation number is plus 1. So look at here. So here oxidation state of hydrogen is plus 1. But in the case of metal hydride, sodium hydride, its oxidation number is minus 1. Look at here. Sodium acquires plus 1 charge and hydrogen acquires minus 1 charge. So this is called as metal hydrides. So I said in metal hydrides, oxidation state of hydrogen is minus 1. But all other compounds of hydrogen, it exists plus 1 oxidation state. Is it okay? So next rule, oxidation state of fluorine is minus 1. In all its compounds, fluorine exists only minus 1 oxidation state. The next rule, oxidation state of oxygen is minus 2. So same like hydrogen, oxygen also exists minus 2 oxidation states most of its compounds. So we have some exceptions cases. In peroxides, oxygen acquires minus 1. The molecular formula for peroxide is M2O2. M means M indicates metal. Second, superoxides. Molecular formula MO2. In superoxides, oxygen exists minus 1 by 2 oxidation state. Compounds with the fluorine. So compounds with the fluorine, when oxygen is combined with the fluorine, it exists plus 2 oxidation state. And then alkali metals. So alkali metals, in the case of alkali metals, oxidation state of alkali metals is plus 1. What are called as alkali metals? Group number 1 is called as alkali metals. Okay students. And then alkaline earth metals. So in alkaline earth metals, oxidation state of alkaline earth metals is plus 2. That is group number 2. So how will you memorize the group number 1 and group number 2? Just I am telling some tricks to memorize the group number 1 and 2. Listen. Group number 1 is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So these elements are in group number 1. So how can we memorize this? Just I am going to tell you some mnemonics. That is Lily, Na, Ik, rubidium, cesium, friends. So likewise we have to memorize the group number 1 elements. So again I am repeating students. Lily, Na, Ik, rubidium, cesium, friends. So and the next mnemonics for group number 2. So group number 2, how will you memorize group number 2? Periya, Makku, Kalvan, Sar, Pare, Ragalaya. So again I am repeating. Periya. Periya means beryllium. Makku means magnesium. Periya, Makku, Kalvan, Sar, Pare, Ragalaya. So this is the way we have to memorize the group number 1 and group number 2 elements. Okay students. Let's apply those rules to find out the oxidation number now. Just I am going to calculate oxidation number of carbon in carbon dioxide. So let's consider the oxidation state of carbon here is X. So X combines with 2 oxygen atoms. So 2 into O. So here 2 into O, which is equal to 0 because there is no charge on this is the molecule. So the right hand side just we keep 0. Just multiply these two. X minus 4 is equal to 0. So X is equal to plus 4. So the oxidation state of carbon in carbon dioxide is plus 4. Okay students. So next I am going to calculate the oxidation state of oxygen in carbon dioxide. So just now we found out the oxidation state of carbon is plus 4. Just we substitute oxidation state of carbon is plus 4 plus we have 2 oxygen atoms. So 2 into X which is equal to 0. So 2X is equal to plus 4 when it is going that side minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 and then X is equal to minus 4. That is 2X is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 divided by 2, x is equal to minus 2. So, oxidation state of oxygen is minus 2. And then next example. So, this is called as chromate ion. What is this? Chromate ion. So, now I am going to calculate the oxidation state of chromium in chromate ion. So how many chromium will be here? So 2 chromium combines with 7 oxygen. So this is an ion. So how will you calculate the oxidation state of ion? The oxidation state of ion, which is equal to the net charge on the ion. Is it right? So 2x plus 7 oxygen will be there. So 7 into minus 2, which is equal to, then what is the net charge? Minus 2. So substitute minus 2 here. So 2x plus 7 into minus 2, minus 14, which is equal to minus 2. So 2x, so keep it here, left hand side, 2x is equal to minus 2 and then plus 14. So 2x is equal to plus 12, x is equal to 12 divided by 2. So x is equal to plus 6. So plus 6 is the oxidation state of chromium in chromate ion. Is it clear? Thank you students. Thank you for watching.